Okay. Hey sunshines, welcome back. I hope you all are doing amazing because we are back with a new video, and in this we are going to be talking about some basic tips which can help you survive high school or basically any period in school time. So,
It's your ultimate guide to surviving your high school, especially. So just stick around and like the video and subscribe to our channel.
yeah.
Let's get straight into it. So, first things first, it's about being popular. Like, everyone wants to be like popular and they just want to be like, have all of this attention of the school. And I guess we have seen that in
And
high school
it's
as
so
well.
funny because it's like nobody cares. Everybody's so invested in their lives that they really don't want to know about your stuff, what's going on in your life. But sometimes we obsess over ourselves and the validation that we want from people, that we try to become something that we are really not.
Exactly. And most importantly, it's like the people who just want to know more about yourself, just they just want to bitch about you. They just want to talk down on you. That's what they want, like the most of the people. So make sure just you stay away from these people and do not let them influence you. And if you want to be popular, of course, be popular. Being popular is very great and it brings you lots of learning opportunities and growing opportunities. Like you can just go to inter-school competitions or sometimes even international trips, and you
that
can.
that kind of
Hmm.
popular is something which people should do, but mostly what we want is that we want to be popular among a certain group, among cool
Yeah.
cool people who are just not basically cool. These people are mostly fake, and trying to cater them, we become them, and then we lose the authenticity, and we have seen this in our school as well.
Yeah, so our second point is being authentic, because this is very important, especially in high school, because we often tend to lose ourselves chasing friendships, chasing some people, just we are all about validation. So, first of all, just know yourself, like who you are truly at your core. Because without knowing yourself, you can't just go anywhere in your life. You need to know yourself.
Yeah.
And sometimes you might want to be like a doctor, an engineer, which is very good. But you have to ask yourself, was this goal put in you, or you actually want to become that?
Yeah, that thing is true in itself, because also, like, you want to be popular and stuff, like coming to the first point. So we become the fake version. And we don't realize that our true selves that we are within, that attracts like real people, I'd say. Because I myself, like, I'd say I had this friend since seventh grade and we were friends till 10th. And I was just catering her only because it felt like, okay, now this is a forever thing. Like, this is it. But that was not it, because of course she was bitching about me to other people, and that's how I found out that okay, I need to focus on me and new, like I should meet new people rather than just being stuck with the old people.
Exactly. I have a similar story. I guess you know about that.
You know.
Like, since first class, like in first class, I changed my school, so I was at this particular school, and then from first to 10th, I had basically no friends. No, from first to ninth actually. Like in seventh, I had few close friends, but in ninth, there was this girl. Her best friend, they just broke their friendship up. So she was just looking for someone who would just, like, let's say, hold for them, like, as just a best friend title. And I was very readily available because I really wanted friends so bad. I never had experienced true friendships because I was the topper of the class in a way, and everyone hated me because I was in a way popular too. So they were
Yeah.
always like jealous. So I had no friends basically. So there was this girl, and I was with her, and I was always readily available for her. I used to be fake. Sometimes I used to even just like things which she liked, just to be like, what, I'm your best friend. But then she started ignoring me. She started, just doing all this crappy thing behind my back. She went back to like her ex best friend, and then they both started bitching about me. And when I got to know this, then I was like shocked. I was like,
Of
what?
course, because you tried to do everything to save that friendship.
Exactly. I tried to communicate. I tried to be that best friend, like, okay, I understand person. But if it wasn't like, it was like very off from their side as well, because they were just using me to fill that void in themselves, which they haven't addressed yet.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
thing. Firstly, she hated you. and then she became friends with you because she was afraid of your potential, I'd say. Few people
Exactly.
hate you secretly even if you're friends with
Yeah.
them. And
So
losing friends, it's very common. It shouldn't be like a huge mess in your life. It's so common. Like your friends, like whom you're with, like today might not be with you tomorrow, and it's totally
exactly.
fine.
Yeah.
Like we have lost so many friends just to be
Yeah.
together again.
Like literally, like I remember, like in 10th, I lost that friendship which I thought was gonna be forever. I had future plans with her, like we're gonna go there, we're gonna go trips, and whatsoever. But she ditched me. So I'm like, okay, bless you, God bless your soul, and everything. You just used me. I came to know that. After that, I just raised my friendship standards. I wasn't hanging around with same people anymore, and I just started being more authentic, and that's when I found her. Literally, it was all so magical. Literally, the best thing that ever happened to me. And we found each other. We are like sisters for soul and for life. Till death do us part.
Yeah,
We have that
literally.
kind of friendship.
Because we met at such I don't know, it was so unexpected. Like
Yeah, we didn't like we have been in the same class for years,
huh.
but we weren't like close or something because the
Yeah.
same friends we had, like my friend and her friend, they used to tell us each other that she's not a good person, she's not good about good
Yeah,
of a
it's
person.
like she hated her. So I'm like, yeah, I hate her too. Simple as that. That's how our
Yeah.
standard is. But it doesn't matter because she
Yeah.
dissed me for that.
Yeah. So that's why you have to be authentic, which brings us to the third point, which is friendships and relationships. Okay.
I guess we have spoken about friendships here. Simple, like it's in summary, it's like people are just people. They do not define you, your life, how you have treated them. You are the love you give. Basically, it's like the nice quote I've ever read. It's like you're the love you give,
She
not what
stands
you.
by this.
Yeah, that's the thing. I'm like, I want to give rather than just expecting, because like it's not negotiation or business. It's love and connection that we have built.
Yeah,
I
but
can just be like that.
the effort needs to be reciprocated. Like if you're just giving love to anyone, just like I did. So in my case, it was very different. I was just giving the love, but I wasn't receiving anything.
She hated you.
Yeah.
You were receiving hate.
Yeah, I was receiving hate, so it just actually drained my energy,
Hmm.
and I felt so ugly from the inside as well. So yeah. And in
Relationships.
friendships, I guess you should focus on protecting your peace and your energy. Most importantly, like if your friends, they are just, putting you down regularly, if your friends, they are just roasting you in front of other people, if they're constantly disrespecting you, then I guess it's time to put boundaries or have new friends.
And these red flags, they're so, I don't know, so noticeable, but we don't notice them, of course. We're like, yeah, she's my friend, of course. But that's not true.
Yeah, I've known
She's
her for
hanging
years.
out. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
We're gonna be friends till like we get out of the school. No, you don't have to tolerate even if you have only one day left on this planet. Because if you're alive, you get to choose what you want, not the other way around.
That's the thing. That's so true.
Yeah, so you should just protect your peace.
Yeah.
Basically. Like if someone is constantly disrespecting you, if they're abusing you, okay, you can be like setting boundaries. It's the easiest thing you can ever do.
Yeah.
Like it's like you can just simply politely, if someone is disrespecting you, you can be like, you know what, I would just really appreciate that if you would not talk to me like that, because I don't like that. As simple as that.
And if they do not like your boundary, that simply means that they were trespassing it. Simple as that.
They were benefiting from you not putting that boundary in place.
Yeah. And maybe just because of that, they don't have boundaries themselves, so they're fine with any treatment they get, and they get scared when somebody else just comes up to them and tell them that, yeah, I don't like that behavior. They're like, "मैं तो कर लेती हूँ. I'm fine with that." But that shouldn't be the case with you.
Exactly. Now let's get to some juicy stuff about relationships,
Yeah.
crushes, because we're not gonna be sugarcoating things here. We're gonna be real. From like what we have seen. Of course, we haven't been in like relationships or whatsoever. But still, it is like personal. We don't want to discuss it, but still, like we just want to tell you as like your elder sisters. So, yeah. So basically, if you want to date somebody in your high school, kill yourself. I'm sorry. I mean, I was just kidding. Okay, I was just kidding. I guess YouTube's gonna flag our video.
Yeah, of course.
Like,
Kill
I-
yourself, guys. Date. Hang
No,
yourself.
That's the worst decision.
333, guys.
Yeah, it's an angel number, of course. Like, we are angels, so yeah. So what I meant by that is, like, do not even think to date someone, especially in your high school, because first of all, yes, everyone's gonna be like, your parents have put faith into you, and they are like just there for you. They're paying your bills and everything, which is all the basic things, of course. But it is very important as well. They have put their faith into you. They have just studied you, and first of all, you should not date someone just because of your parents. You shouldn't date them because of yourself. You want to focus on your growth, you want to focus on yourself, you want to just experience all of these years without experiencing anything as, like, as creepy as a relationship in high school years. Because let me tell you, guys and both girls, they both are discovering themselves, they both are teens, they both are into their growing phase. Like, no one knows about themselves, so how they're gonna just be providing for you.
Yeah,
Do you-
that's the thing. That's the
Yeah.
thing. Because like they themselves, they are teens. Their hormones are doing their magic in their brains, and we are like, we like them because what? Our brain, it does magic, and it's like, yeah, you find the person attractive today.
Yeah, just because you can be like, you know what, they look beautiful. Yes, it would be just a compliment, but you do not have to be like, oh my god, I want him. Oh my god, I want her. No. You have to have a little control over yourself, because is this you or your hormones acting in place? So you just have to ask yourself that. And dating in high school is the worst thing you can do for yourself. Because first of all, let me tell, if you have like a dirty breakup, you're gonna be teased by your like friends, and you're just gonna be like that pehli mohabbat wala thing, which you don't want, especially in high school.
Yeah.
Just grow yourself,
And
just get to
honestly,
know
if
yourself.
he's in your class and you guys break up, this has to be the most awkward thing. I'm
And
not
the
saying
most
like dating is bad, but I'm like just kind of avoid it because
Especially in high school.
yeah, because you all are mentally fucked. We were too. We still are kind of, but we're figuring out. But dating is not a thing. You can have a crush, of course, but it's like when you date, then you forget everything. Your studies, your family,
You're
you
always
constantly
trying
think
to-
of them.
You're always trying to impress that particular person, just like
Yeah.
she said.
And then it becomes like your thing. You forget I won't say it's experience, but I've seen people when they like certain somebody, they'll do everything. They'll be like lunch के लिए वो बाहर walk करने के लिए जा रहा है, वो दिख जाए, उसने इधर देखा नहीं देखा. It fucks your brain because
Really?
तुम इतना bare minimum देख के you're just like, oh my god, he likes me now. He just looked at me. I'm naming my kids. No.
Yeah, we have seen such girls in a class, and we were like, are you alright? Like, literally. Like, first of all, let me tell you, do not obsess over the bare minimum, because, especially in high school, just avoid dating. It's not like, I'm not villainizing it, of course, but you should literally avoid it at all costs, because everyone is trying to know themselves, just like we said. No one has fully developed yet, and raise your standards. And
And
Yeah.
also like relationship in high school, I'm not saying like every kind is toxic. You may find real love, that's a total different thing. But to keep it working and like you want to love the person forever and stuff, it takes like constant efforts and stuff, which I don't think we all are in that age to provide for. Because we all are kids currently, and we are so dependent on the other person who himself is a kid.
Exactly. So we have
And
to
then we
just avoid
blame
this.
them as well. We're like, you're not doing this, the person's also depressed, so it's like kind of, I don't know what it becomes. It becomes a
just-
mess.
Yeah, exactly. Just get all messed up. And when you just meet this person, you forget about what you truly want. Like, you forget your goals. You forget like what you wanted in life. You're like, okay. Like, I've seen literally like women, especially girls in my class, they're like, okay, I'm gonna marry this person. I'm gonna be a housewife. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
I'm literally I'm what?
Like, this is what you wanted since the beginning. Okay, go ahead, you go, girl. But just because you met somebody like 2 days ago and you're like, okay, now I'm ready to do everything for you.
Just avoid physical attraction at all costs, especially boys and girls. Like, especially boys, you guys avoid it, okay, and to the girls as well. Like, because you just get physically attractive and everything, and it's not good in the long run. You're just gonna be like 20 years old and you're gonna regret, oh my god,
Why
Shit.
do that?
What? Why did you even do that?
It was pointless because it's like ये बचपन का प्यार कहीं नहीं जा रहा है, बचपन की पढ़ाई जा रही है.
Exactly. I've seen, literally, I know this girl, and I am not gonna take her name, of course. And she was just like, I'm gonna be housewife for him. I'm like, you wanted to do freelancing and you had goals as well. You wanted to go to civil services. She's like, no, I'm gonna leave everything behind for him. I'm like, it's not as serious.
Yeah.
You don't have to be so passionate about a guy who's not even sure of you. Like, he literally used to text her once a day. I'm like,
नहीं नहीं, we have named our kids, guys. You have to be serious now.
Yeah.
So simple as that. Crushes is very normal. It's like basic thing. We all get it when we're in teenage. But you know, being in control of ourselves and just basically, you know, like okay, if this is forever, if I want that person, maybe just wait. Maybe just wait. College में जाके कर लेना. But high school में मत करना. कटता है बुरा वाला. Literally, it will fuck your
Yeah.
brain.
And if you have a crush and if they reject you, oh my god, the pressure is gonna leave you like.
And
my God.
rejection is fine, guys. Okay, but just please, guys, it's an advice. Don't, especially from your class. Don't. Not
And
even
to
seniors.
girls.
Seniors, no. Hell no.
Yeah, and to girls especially, don't change yourself chasing that guy you have a crush on who doesn't even cares about you.
Yeah.
Because everyone is trying to find themselves, so please just focus on yourself, focus on your well-being. And in this same friendship and relationships, we want to add actually, stay away from drama. Literally.
I mean, how much we like tea, but of course, we should stay away from that.
Exactly.
Let's not get ourselves involved into that thing.
Like there's a hot gossip going around in school. Like, don't ever leak someone's secret which they have put their faith into you, and don't tell your secrets to other people, especially in high school,
yeah.
until you have genuine friendship like ours.
Yeah. Because if you doubt the person, then no, you don't have to tell. You don't have to cater them by telling your secrets just to keep the conversation and friendship going. You don't have to do that.
That's so
And
true.
especially, never spill anybody else's secret because it's not your story to tell.
Exactly. Just have some standards in friendships and in relationships. Even while talking, just know that I do not trust this person. So, is this thing which I really want to tell this person after I walk away from this conversation? Because when you walk away from that conversation, you are most likely to regret telling them that.
Yeah, because you know, mostly people they're like that. They love talking behind your back. That's the thing. You cannot trust them. Simple as that. And I had this thing, like, you know, this gossip in school that you're so invested in, it's fake. It's total fake. Things are going to be said about you. ये they'll be like, ये इसको date कर रही है, ये पहले 4 boyfriend है, ये fail हो गई, क्या हो गई. Don't invest your energy in that.
Literally, stay away from drama and people who just, like, you know, if someone comes gossiping to you about someone, just know that this person is not good.
Yeah,
They're
they
not
can
good.
gossip about you as well. They can do it
Yeah.
for you.
They can talk about you as well to other people, so it's just common sense, but here we are telling you. And other than that, talk to the person who intimidates you. Which is
Yeah.
very true in our case. Like hella true.
Yeah.
Not kidding. So true. Because I was so intimidated about her. With her, like whatever she was doing, the way she used to look, the way she used to talk, the way she used to carry herself. And in this same topic, I want to bring like insecurities. I don't know, I'm just doing ear flags right now, but yes, like the insecurities. Because insecurities are nothing but just fake expectations we put on ourselves.
Yeah, like basically, I just feel it's like a mind just making us feel like, तुझे कुछ नहीं आता, you can't do anything. But you have to stop this.
Yeah.
You don't have to, I don't know, be that thought that's coming into your mind. You don't have to just
You don't have to be cool.
align with that thought, you know. Thoughts आते हैं, उनको ignore करना चाहिए. I am an overthinker. I'm literally an overthinker.
Overthinker.
Yeah, I'll just think of what these people are thinking and stuff, but nowadays I don't do that. I'm like, okay, whatever's meant to happen will happen. I can just give my best, and the results, they will be good if I've put in best.
Of course.
The rest is in God's hand.
So I guess video is pretty long, so let's just I just saw the time, I'm like, oh my god, so yeah.
कितने देर से बना रहे हो?
I guess 23 minutes हो गए, 23-24 minutes.
Hmm.
Interesting. So like
Very.
talk to the person who intimidates you, because if you just are jealous of someone that oh my god she's so beautiful, or oh my god she just carries herself so nicely, that means you want to do that as well.
Yeah. Because why you're jealous? Why you're being covetous? Because you want that thing. So just be
Exactly.
friends with them. Ask for their tips rather than just back bitching about them. That's a tip, guys. That's what I have learned as well.
Yeah.
Because you know, as she said, like she was intimidated and stuff. That was the same from my side as well. And then we just both talked about this, and we are laughing our asses off still now.
Yeah. And our third point is studies and activities. The real stuff. Because you're not going to school just for friendships, relationships, and just being popular. You want to just get some real shit done, so just focus on that. All I'm just gonna say is your focus, like if you have 100% of your energy in school, 80% of it should be on your studies, 20% should be on friendships and whatsoever.
Yeah, like even if you're into sports, sports में अच्छा करो. Even if you're good in studies, studies में करो. और वो activities होती है, you know, what do you call them? Curricular activities and stuff.
Co-curricular.
Yeah. उसमें भी तुम्हें होता है तो तुम उसमें करो. But just do good in any niche. You know, you don't have to be perfect in
अपना
every.
best दो.
But किसी एक, you know, एक target करो अपना उस चीज को and उस चीज को better करो.
मतलब तुम्हें
Be good in
distract होने
that.
की जरूरत नहीं है. Because मेरा यूं हो गया था मेरी 10th में especially, like if my teacher she is watching, I'm very sorry ma'am, you were right. मुझे नहीं इतना वो अपना ध्यान नहीं भटकाना चाहिए था. I still regret it. I used to do activities like 30% activities, 30% studies, नहीं 40% studies and 30% like drama, friendship and everything. तो मेरा वो हो गया था.
Yeah, like that's the thing. मतलब मेरी भी I remember मेरा हमारे बोर्ड जाने वाले हैं. मैं एंकरिंग कर रही हूँ एनुअल डे की. I'm like, that's nice decision right there, Ritika.
Yeah, like you could have done that, but you put too much of your time.
It's fine. You know, let them know the name. It's fine.
They know we already did in one video a little, I guess.
Hey.
It's fine, you
It's
know our
fine.
names.
Yeah, you know our name. It's totally fine.
But we are still daisies.
Yeah.
For you.
Daisies, yeah.
So yeah, so like literally just especially in times like I told like apologies ma'am, you were right. And I should have just strayed away from drama, and that's what I learned. Like in 11th and 12th, I was focusing on myself and everything. So like focus on your studies. Like यूँ नहीं कि पढ़ाई में सिर्फ 50% ध्यान है, नहीं 70% कम से कम होना चाहिए, बिकॉज तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स स्कूल में फीस किस लिए भर रहे हैं ताकि तुम पढ़ पाओ. And if you're in a good school, which is like a very good thing, you should be grateful.
Yeah.
Because there are children out there जो सरकारी स्कूलों में पढ़ रहे हैं और उनको लाइक इतनी वो नॉलेज नहीं मिल रही है और तुम्हें एक्टिविटी सब कुछ मिल रहा है. सो आई गेस यू शुड जस्ट गो फॉर इट. यू शुड जस्ट बी लाइक यू नो व्हाट, लाइक हमें एक्टिविटीज मिली हम वो भी करें. हर चीज ट्राई करो बट अपनी पढ़ाई को मत भूलो. डोंट एवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज इट.
Yeah, and because it's like popular वाला जो stuff होता है ना, mostly people they want to hang out with smart people who can just put something in their lives as well. If you're like, I'm not saying you're dumb, but it's like you're not scoring good and you're just yapping that I want this, I want that, but उसके लिए तुम कोई work नहीं कर रहे हो. So people will be like, okay, hypocrite, I guess. So we don't want to be that, right?
Yeah.
I know it's very toxic for people because I guess those people don't study. It's like कि पढ़ाई लिखाई करो, उनको सुन के होता है कि क्यों करनी है, करनी चाहिए. You know, तुम्हारे जब 12th में when you score good, it will boost your confidence as well. तब तुम लोगों से बात
Exactly.
करोगे तुम्हें लगेगा कि हाँ I can talk to them because I've scored good. I've
Yeah.
done good. मेरे पास knowledge है. I'm smart.
Of course. So it's like that. And other than that,
It's like that.
yeah, I just forget what I was saying. So yeah, it's like that. What she just said, of course. And in activities and studies and teachers.
Well, should we tell our tea?
So it's a little tea time, I guess.
Oh my god.
To our teachers watching us, we respect you. We literally do respect you. But we have,
Zakir.
but we really want to spill it to our sunshine. So here we are. So
Where did we even start?
we were gundis in 11th and 12th.
You kind of.
Yeah, we were actually. We were like the rebels, you know. We were like,
Yeah.
किसी की नहीं सुनेंगे हम, कौन हमारे सामने बोलेगा.
It was stupid. Of course, it was stupid. We don't promote that. But we
हम
have
हमारी
changed.
टी बता रहे हैं basically.
But teachers, they were elder. They were smarter than us in some way. but they acted certain way that I don't think
They
their
acted in a
smartness
very
spoke.
mature way. Not all the teachers. I had the best of teachers, like who I feel like they're my mothers in a school, especially.
Yeah,
They're the
we had
best
good
of the-
ones. Yeah,
like,
yeah.
The few teachers, they were like acting very immature, and I was just like, am I like, am I crazy or is she making me?
No, either she is or she is making me, because I'm not.
That's true actually. I was just trying to avoid saying that, you know.
I like, let's just tell एक वो वाला scene था ना.
Particular teacher, I don't know what kind of peace she had with me. And like she knows. And yeah, one more thing, she also, I guess you're spilling tea, all the tea at this point.
It's like when we got together, me and her, we became like the power thingy in school. Like, it's a flex to me, honestly, because I was
We
so
were like-
confident. We were confident together because we knew that we got each other's
We
back.
weren't disrespectful to the teachers in the first place. We weren't.
We were just asking normal questions. That's the thing. Nothing else. We're not that disrespectful that we are like,
So
बदतमीजी कर रहे हैं.
yeah, so this teacher, what she did, like, just to explain you, like, you might be thinking we're just bitching about teachers. So this teacher, what she did was she bitched about me and my accent to her whole class, which was like just like junior to
And
us.
involved me too. Like वो बता रही थी, वो जिसे तुझे पता है, she's like, yeah, she was like कि ये तो अच्छी है, इसके साथ रह के ये भी ऐसी हो जाएगी. I'm like, huh? How do you even know me?
Literally, she had this beef with me, and she used to bitch about me to like her class, and उनकी class में, of course, I had my girlies there as well.
But those are toxic as now, as I know them, because like I've got to know things about them as well.
अब वो डिफरेंट है, कोई बात नहीं. मतलब तब they were like, we were quite close, तो मुझे वो
Yeah.
आके बता रही हैं कि ma'am was talking this about you. I'm like, हैं? I'm like, how could she? I'm like, she's a teacher. So I just went to the principal and was like, I really don't know what to tell you, because you're gonna support the teacher at this point. I can't say anything. Because our principal, she used to always blindly support the teachers.
Yeah, like
मतलब
that's the
सुनने को
nice
तैयार
thing
नहीं है.
for the staff. But we are also students, right? You should support us first. We
हमारे
came,
भी तो-
we just gone to her cabin and we're like, yeah, ma'am, this teacher, she has been kind of, mean to us.
She literally kicked me out of her class once. If you
Yeah.
remember.
And I went with her, with Risan Bhaira की थी.
ये भी बाहर आ गई. She's like, मैं तो.
Because she, okay, so like that thing is total different. वो उसके ऊपर बात नहीं करते because that was kind of like stupid as well. उसको तो हटाओ. But especially that teacher, I don't know what she had. And then later that year, she's like coming to me. She's like, तुम इस चीज में कर लो, तुम ये कर लो, because she didn't wanted me to be friends with her. And
Yeah, she was trying to separate us. Everyone was. And एक point पे वो successful होने वाले थे कि तब हम लेके आए हमारा वो क्या कहते हैं उसको, रामबाण, communication. Communication. Bring in communication to your लाओ, बीच में communicate करो चीजों को. और मतलब जो हमने टी बताई है, इससे ये लेसन मिलता है कि अगर तुम्हारे आसपास भी ऐसे कोई नार्सिसिस्ट टीचर्स हैं, अवॉइड करो जितना उनके लाइक बात कर, मतलब जितनी नेसेसरी है ना उतनी बात करो. टीचर के साथ दूसरे टीचर का ड्रामा शेयर करने की कोई जरूरत
उसकी
नहीं
तो नीड ही नहीं है. You don't have to go to them meaning that teacher's like that.
है. बिकॉज वो स्वाद लेने आ रही है दूसरे
Yeah.
टीचर के. और अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि ये टीचर तुम्हारे बारे में बिच कर रही है, फिर तुम उस टीचर के बारे में बिच कर रहे हो, तो यू हैव नो डिफरेंस.
तुम साइकिल रिपीट ही कर रहे हो.
Exactly.
एंड ऑनेस्टली have real friendships, okay? सबको cater करने की need नहीं है. Honestly speaking, because we had a lot of tea happening in 11, but we had each other. And ऐसा नहीं कि हमने जैसे मान लो मेरी बात इसको पता चला, it's not like she kept it to herself. She told me. तभी real friendship हुआ नहीं. मुझे पता चला
and
that
we
what
took-
people think.
We took each other's stand behind, like each other's back.
Yeah, there was this girl, she's coming to me like, yeah, ऐसे दिखते हैं. I'm like, have you seen your face? Because to me she matters first and then other girls too. That's so simple. वो वाली बात ना, वो आई थी मेरे पास.
I know. Let's
She
not take
came
the
to
name.
me and she's like, she wanted to become friend with me. She thought that
She is
bitching
starting.
about her best friend, like my best friend, she will become close to me. And then I'm like,
Yeah.
I walked off. I'm like, I'm not part of that team.
She literally, let me tell you what she said. She was like, your best friend's lips, they are like, uneven. And of course, I'm aware. मैं शीशा देखती हूँ, मेरे घर में है शीशे 4-5, तुम लगाओ. And that's what she said. She was like, नीडी फूक के मुझको मिलता. And she's so sassy about it. मुझे बता रही है. We were just laughing about this.
I know, because I don't know what she thought, and she's like, आपके होठ ना perfect है. I'm like, oh अच्छा.
और तेरे compliments से मैं तो खुश हो गई.
खुश हो गई.
मैं
That's
तो
the
मर रही थी
best
तेरे
compliment
compliment के लिए.
मेरे को मिल गई मेरी validation.
भाई
I don't
नहीं
know.
चाहिए. You if you compliment us, okay, good. If you don't, we still know we are beautiful. Okay.
Yeah.
We're not dying to take compliments. That's how your mindset should
And
be.
honestly, that was the last time I've ever spoken to her. Like she had been trying to talk to me. She's like coming to me ऐसे दिखाने के लिए कि देखो मैं ये product लेके आया. I'm like, good for you. Keep a distance now.
Yeah.
Because she's my baby. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and other than that, we want to talk about our last topics. Glow up. Glow up. I guess we are the best people to talk about it in this room because it's only us here.
Yeah. Glow up for how do I say studies. पहले सबसे पहले मैं बताती हूँ. आपका जो फ्रेंड ग्रुप होना चाहिए ना, इट शुड बी जो खुद भी पढ़ते हो. जो खुद नहीं पढ़ते आपको भी पढ़ने नहीं देंगे. सच्ची सी बात बताऊँ. They be like, यार मैंने भी नहीं पढ़ा तू भी मत कर. I had a friend like that. I had a friend like that.
She literally dragged her around. She's so intelligent. वो खुद भी नहीं पढ़ती थी, खुद भी फेल होती थी, इसको भी करवाती थी.
Yeah, मतलब मैं चलो फेल नहीं हुई, but it's like
मतलब उसको बिल्कुल नीचे तक ले आती थी
Yeah.
लिमिट पे उसकी.
वो you know like it's not a flex, but it's like I got a scholarship when I was in my previous school. I got a scholarship in motion and stuff. I gave the exam, but then I became friends with her. कुछ नहीं मार्क्स आते थे मेरे. I was like you passing marks से थोड़े ऐसे 64 65 लाके. I'm like
बस हो गया.
yeah.
And that girl, she also just dragged her into very toxic friendships, and she dragged her to be around the most toxic people, so stay away from them.
Yeah, and also she didn't wanted me to speak to anybody. She was like तुम मुझसे बात कर मैं तुझसे बात करूंगी, but मैं तेरी bitching जाके सबसे करूंगी. That's my deal.
तू मेरी नहीं करेगी. तू मेरी कैसे. इसकी दोस्त थी ना, जब हम क्लोज नहीं थे 7th में, मुझे आके बता रही है कि ना रितिका तो ऐसी है, रितिका मतलब ना ऐसे करती है, ऐसा करती है. अब मैं क्या करूँ, मैं से दोस्ती तोड़. अब मैं तो अनइंजॉय एडवाइस दूंगी. मुझे क्या पता था क्या चल रहा है.
Yeah.
पहली बात मैं भी इतनी डेवलप नहीं थी. 7वीं में कौन से बच्चे को पता. मैंने यूँ कहा, मैंने कहा भाई देख तू खुद को लाइक वो कर बोलते कि नहीं मैं उसको ऐसे नहीं छोड़ सकती. मैंने मेरे पास रूम
मुझको छोड़ नहीं सकती. हाँ.
या
अगर
And
मैं
yeah.
उल्टे सीधी बातें बोलती थी.
like focus on yourself. Most important thing. Like even you मत सोचो कि तुम्हारी genuine friendship है, तुम खुद पे फोकस नहीं कर पाओगे. ऐसा नहीं
ऐसा नहीं होता.
Like I have an exam upcoming. Like this week हम कॉल पे बात नहीं करेंगे. She also knows because हम अभी मिल लिए और हम मिलते भी नहीं ना, तो like we talk on like text. Like we do not call each other every day. अगर ठीक है तुम्हारी फ्रेंडशिप में तुम्हारे स्टैंडर्ड से भाई मुझे तो रोज कॉल करो, तो तुम्हें दोस्त ऐसे मिलेगी. That's nice. अब कुछ लोग रहते हैं कि they want to reconnect after a week, after like months वाला
Months.
सिस्टम मत रखो. No, वो दोस्त नहीं है.
वो दोस्त नहीं है. They're just coming because that means the whole thing was fake. If they're coming when you're ending the friendship, that means उनको एंड में तुम्हारी पड़ी है जब खत्म होने वाला है सब कुछ. पहले क्यों नहीं करा. Effort should be consistent.
So true.
In
Like,
anything, you're in relationship, you're in friendship, they should be consistent. You should feel loved, valued, respected every day. Not like you're
Yeah,
coming
you
to me
should-
once a week.
you should feel like grateful for having this person. You know, that's the deal.
वो तभी होता है जब आप उनके साथ होते हो ना. When you share the love, the connection, आप उनकी बातें सुनते हो,
Yeah.
तब होता है. If
When
you do
the
not do that, ना,
effort is reciprocated, you feel blessed, literally. और
yeah,
ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे फ्रेंडशिप ब्रेकअप अब नहीं होते. हमारे कितने सारे दोस्त थे. मेरे पास्ट महीने में कितने सारे दोस्त लाइक फ्रेंडशिप छूटी just because of some opinions. I'm like,
yeah.
what I say is have peace and love. I am not like कि भाई तू ऐसी थी तूने वैसा करा. नहीं, मैं कम्युनिकेशन करती हूँ, मैं बहुत पीसफुली करती हूँ. मेरे मुंह पे कोई चिल्लाएगा, I'm like ठीक है तुम चिल्ला लिए, अब निकलो यहाँ से. Okay? Because तुम डिजर्व ही नहीं करते मेरी प्रेजेंस, तुम डिजर्व ही नहीं करते मैं तुमसे बात करूं. सो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
And it showed because it's like तुम starting से ही नहीं करते थे. Because if you're coming in the end and you're yelling at me, you're like what kind of person you're, then why were you even be with me? Why did you waste my time into being somebody that you were not? You pretended to be something for me. उससे तुम्हारा भी लॉस हुआ, मेरा तो हुआ ही हुआ.
वही, ये हमारा वही पॉइंट आ गया ना, बी ऑथेंटिक. क्योंकि अगर तुम इफ यू जस्ट लाइक आई गेस अपन स्टार्टिंग से इंग्लिश में बोल रहे थे, हम बीच में हिंदी कर रहे हैं. Yeah, but you guys get it. We just
Yeah.
speak both English and Hindi. So what we're trying to say is when you are being authentic, so you just attract the best of the friendships, the best of the people around you. So just focus on that as well.
Because your true self can get you better things, you know, because आप fake रहते हो, आपको पूरे time fake बनना पड़ता है फिर. You
Right.
have to speak in certain accent, you have to be a certain way.
Yeah.
Yeah, you let me speak.
Yeah. So I was just saying that. Oh, it was just a notification. So yeah, we were just saying that you know what, like you just need to focus on yourself. You just need to be like, you know what, you shouldn't be forcing things on yourself just to validate other people, and like just focus on yourself. Like जब हम बात करते हैं, मैं बोल देती हूँ कि भाई मेरे एग्जाम है, but we are just constantly like chatting. We like text each other every day, like hi, how are you, just tell me what's going on in your life, I'm really busy. So like communication is important, but खुद पे फोकस करो. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारे पास you have too much on your plate on yourself, और कोई तुम्हारे ऊपर आके अपना ट्रॉमा डंप कर रहा है, बोल दो कि आई डू नॉट हैव द कैपेसिटी टू डील विद दिस राइट नाउ, सो वी विल जस्ट गेट बैक एट इट आफ्टर सम टाइम. ओके.
Yeah, and सबकी you know life में आपको जानने की need नहीं है. Everyone will
Yeah.
come and tell you then, and you will be so exhausted because it drains you as well. आपको सब लोग आके अपनी वो बता रहे हैं लाइफ में कि okay I have this thing going, I have this thing. आपको सुननी भी नहीं होगी. But still
आपको
you
नहीं
have.
सुनना तो बोलो ना कि
Yeah.
भाई, you can be polite, you can be like भाई मुझे मत बता, I am not interested in all of this BS.
Yeah,
As simple as that.
I had this friend वो मेरी बचपन से ही है, and like she's calling me, she's telling me stuff. I'm like मुझे नहीं जानना. I'm not interested in your tea because first of all you're not in the
Yeah.
same school as me. जिसमें सुनूँ कि okay okay चल कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ.
Yeah.
But like she's from different thing. वो मुझे जानती भी नहीं है अभी तक, and she's telling me stuff. So that means वो सबको
Yeah.
बता रही होगी.
Especially like those people, like मतलब कुछ
I
होते
need
हैं
people
close
जिनकी
friends.
life में मैं priority हो, अपनी बातें you know they trust me with the stuff rather than everyone. Then that means I'm not special.
Exactly, that's so true. Like मुझे भी like ऐसे कुछ like there were like certain girls around me, like ऐसे थी मेरी दोस्त, वो मुझे हर चीज़ बता रही हैं about their relationship or about their friendships. I'm like मुझे इतना नहीं जानना, मुझे नहीं जानना
Yeah.
इतना, मुझे बस तुम इतना मत बताओ कि तुमने क्या टेक्स्ट पे बात करी, तुम्हारा कैसा वो, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. ये मुझे बताएगी मैं सुन लूंगी, ठीक है.
Yeah,
और
वो
हम
तो
पहली
फिर
बार-
interest से ही होता
Yeah.
है. And we have different topics we speak on literally, and I'm grateful for that.
We are ambitious. We are
Yeah.
around ambitious people. And our last topic is like last topic तो glow up था. उसके अंदर last है section which is glow up. Glow up tips. तो हाँ, तो self care habits में first of all you should be journaling. Journal. I cannot tell you the importance. मैं describe नहीं कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि तुम्हारी ना mental health बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे ना messed up हो जाएगी in school years. तुम्हारे पास स्टडीज हैं, स्पेशली फिर इन लाइक तुम्हारी बोर्ड क्लास है, तो तुम्हारी पूरी मेंटल हेल्थ, रेगुलर अटेंडेंस चाहिए. ड्रामा हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, जो हमने कहा अवॉइड करो, बट फिर भी हो रहा है तो जस्ट जर्नल अबाउट इट. जर्नल योर प्रायोरिटीज. रोज जर्नल करो. जर्नल प्रॉम्प्ट्स ले लो पिंटरेस्ट से, टू द बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स एवरीवन. एंड देन इज वर्कआउट.
Yeah, workout, like honestly, like if you want mental peace ना तो
जिम जाने की जरूरत नहीं है तुम्हें, मत करो पैसे बर्बाद. मतलब इफ यू आर गोइंग, इफ यू हैव द resources, go. मैं नहीं जाती but still I do workout, like a 10-minute workout. You can just do Pilates. There's this girl called Lily Sabri.
I have to go downstairs right now.
Yeah, okay, let's go. So just like 5 minutes.
ये देख तू.
Just like 5 minutes, wait. So like we were just talking about workout. So you just need to do workout because workout really helps. You can just do Pilates, even yoga and meditation.
Yeah, but it's like whenever you do something for yourself ना तो you feel accomplished. तुम्हें खुद को लगता है कि okay I did this for myself, and then you start loving yourself eventually. In the
Yeah.
process you have to love the process first, and if you start doing that ना, the process itself, then eventually you'll become that glow up version of you that you wanted always.
Exactly.
कुछ ना कुछ सीखते रहो, like you know improve your English, learn another language apart from English, you know. Try to do stuff that you have always wished in your future version. तो अभी से start करो उसको.
Exactly. So that's all for today's video. Just like hope to see you guys soon. We will just be uploading regular vlogs on
Yeah.
every Sunday or Monday. We will just let you know through the community post. Please just stick around.
Yeah.
Like the video if you liked it. And yes, subscribe to
Yeah.
the channel.
And
Love you.
Love you so much. Can't wait to see you guys
Bye.
again. And we'll try to be consistent.
Yeah.